Cassandra Smith. Welcome to the Yoga Zone. I would like to do something a little bit different. I have about 80 videos on YouTube, so I know for a fact I've demonstrated over 60 postures. So I would like to do something a little bit different. I would like to share my yoga journey. I've been practicing yoga for almost 10 years. I would like to create a 10-part series, letting you know how I got started with yoga, how yoga has benefited my life, when I decided to attend yoga training, what has happened after yoga training, and if you would like to become a certified yoga teacher, I went through Yoga Alliance, and I can give you those steps, the cost, the commitments, and how yoga can change your life. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, click on the bell, and welcome to my 10-part series on lessons learned in my 10-year journey in yoga.